shifts into the higher gear, it kind of just calms down and it doesn't do it anymore. It's only when I'm accelerating. And if I'm just cruising, it's pretty much alright. So I don't know. That's just accelerating moderately. That's not flooring it by any means, and it's all right. I mean, it doesn't do jack. But if I floor it, it wigs out, as seen on the previous video, one of the previous videos. Before I started recording, I didn't get it on video, but the same crap that happens when you floor it happened to me when I was getting on the main road. Just accelerating normally like this, the check engine light started flashing in sync with the bogging down type of deal. I don't know what's wrong with it. But I didn't get that on tape or on camera phone. I forgot to fuel up too. I'm at 137 miles and I'm about a quarter tank, so yeah, that sucks. Whatever. I'm sure it's crappy. And whatever I get when I fuel up, eventually, whatever I get from my miles per gallon, I have to subtract about 5%, because my speedo is actually off 6 miles per hour, as well as oh no, I'll have to subtract more than that, I think, as well as the speedo jumping occasionally. That actually adds onto the odometer as well. So my mile per gallon is actually even worse than what I'm seeing right now as 137. I've probably only gone 125 miles or so. But I'm gonna figure it out and probably just get a whole new cluster and whatever else. You can see my idle. I don't know if that's normal. That's pretty damn low. It sounds fine though. It looks like it's about 600, but I think that's about normal. Anyway, into part 3.